At one time, Hindu paper used to come. That is only the paper, trusted paper. After that, electronic media has come. Now social media has come. Social media, every person is an editor, every person is a writer. They can write anything. They can express their views. They can do character assassination also. No exemption for anybody, for me, for judiciary, for everybody. That is how we are facing today. This is the right forum. I wanted to interact all of you. We wanted to maintain vibrant democracy. And at the same time, nation first. We are all here. Nation is great. We will be proud of it. If nation is not great, all of us will be looked down. This is where I am asking all of you to contribute further.